Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you a quick video of how to pull out the guide pins, or the pins that hold the chain guides here. I do touch on this in part 2 of the engine dismantling, but I thought someone might just want to see that, how it's done, and how it can be done very cheaply, just a few bucks from the hardware store. So, before further ado, let me get in close and I'll show you what we've got here. Okay, so this is the, let's think now, this is the left-hand head, okay, and there's obviously another guide here, okay. So there's these 2 pins that hold these guys inside the cylinder head, suspended just around about like that. Now when you're replacing these thankfully are the metal ones. It's the same on my 4.5 and my 6-cylinder. They have the original metal, which is nice, and this surface looks pretty much perfect. A little gouge there, but other than that it's really good, so I'll probably just put that straight back in. Now I've taken one out of here, and basically it's just press fit inside this cylinder head, and I think they sell a tool, but you don't need to buy any fancy tool. This is an M6 bolt. Offhand I don't know how long it is, but say about 3 and a bit inches long. Okay, you need it a little long for the pin to travel up the inside of it, inside of what I'm going to show you. So basically, full thread, there's a nut there, a couple of washers here, and then a broader washer here. And basically, it's very easy. Put it like that. I've got a deep socket here, 12mm socket, goes like that. So that's how the tool's loaded in. And we'll do this bottom one. So we screw that in. Again, it's M6. We'll screw that into the pin. Give it a good old screw in there, so I don't want to mess the threads up. Make sure it's in there nice. Bring the socket down to the body. Move those washers down. Bring up the nut. Okay, and we're just going to tighten on that nut, and that will pull the pin into this socket area, you see. Hold that there. There you go. Normally there's a little creak as it pops loose. And depending on your car model, you know, you might have other stuff in the way. So what I guess you could do is a shorter one. And there is one that has a kind of a slide feature, you know, that bashes it this way, but you just got to figure it out yourself. But you can see how the principle, very simple, and it gets to a point where it just, you could probably just pull it out. There you go. Guide, obviously, when you're doing it in engine, you want to make sure you got a good grip of this, you know, or a zip lock to it, or a pair of vice grips, because you certainly don't want this guy falling in the engine. See the condition? It's actually pretty decent. Little scrape here. I could probably replace these surfaces, little metal clip there to be able to release that. So, and then this pin should just unscrew out of there. Well, I've got a wooden vise with wooden jaws to be able to grab this pin. Let me just do that and back it out, and that's it. So let me go and do that. So I didn't move the camera, I just merely put this in a wooden vise and gripped it and undid it. So that's it really. So those 4 pins are out. Very simple little tool. Picked that up. I think I paid about the lofty price of around $2.50 for all that little lot. You probably got stuff lying around the shop. So that's it. Really quick video, because I've been producing some very long videos, so I thought you'd like a little shorty. I do include this in the part 2 of the engine, breaking the engine down, but I thought you'd like to see that. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Please hit like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate you all for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.